So guys, we're under tornado watch. I'm retarded, let's go. Let me give you a tour. Over here, we got the boom boom machine. It's called the boom boom machine for a reason. But I don't get it. Back here, I was actually mowing yesterday. But you know, I never got to finish. I got the mower right here, but I didn't finish.
Yeah. We going out there?
Let's go get the mower. Me garage. Full of shit. Where's the mower at? There. Alright, come on, let's go. The remower. The remower, you know? Alright. We're in the tornado watch. So we're in the tornado watch. So of course it's a perfect day to mow.
What?
Right there. Go right there. Go right there. New farmer. Alright, you see this puddle? It's good for turf field wood. Let's do it again. Oh, you just made me mower clean. Thanks for giving me the idea. The mower, brand new. Has it been mowed for a long time now? Been mowed for a long time now? I think it's out of gas. What do you think? Oh, my shoe. I think it's out of gas. What do you think? Alright. Do you know how to hold a camera, sir? This backyard's all yours now. That's easy to mow. You just have them on random spots. Here, let me teach you some more. Let me start it up. Let me start the things up. Let me start it up. It's really easy.
Yeah, you can find one out of storage.
Store. Sometimes I hate stores, you know. Did a video earlier. This video is retarded and a tornado watch. There's a tornado watch, you know what I'm saying? More back. Oh, shoot.
You can find
God damn it!
one out of storage.
So, welcome, retarded. So that's it. Remember, like, subscribe.